What's up, guys? It's Raf in the RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Now this here is to be an upgrade of my live streams, and I looked into some condenser mics, some inexpensive condenser mics, to see if there's an improvement of the mic quality. So what I have here is a Yeti X microphone. It's been fantastic. It's great. It's a USB mic, plug and play, boom, 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 done. But I just picked up a Phantom Power kit, which you can check out there. And then I picked up an inexpensive condenser mic from Amazon, which I'll leave a link in the description below. And that's going to be this guy. This is a Professional Microphone Series. It's a new condenser vocal microphone. Pretty simple. Just nothing much to it. But I'm gonna tell you that I'm looking forward to using this thick XLR cable for an awesome condenser mic and get rid of the thin USB mic cable right here. It's kind of meh. Anyway, let's open this up, see what's inside. Unfortunately, again, no black pin. It's got a little flap in the bottom. See what's inside. What do we got? A couple papers of the mic itself, what it looks like. This thing is only like 20-something bucks. You get an XLR to a 3.5 millimeter cable, which I won't use. You get a nice foamy pop filter you can put over the mic if you like. You get a shock mount. Made of plastic, no metal. It's got the standard ring, which should be able to attach to my arm here, right? And you can unscrew this if you want to put in a larger mic, conventional mic stand into it, it's a larger hole there. Yeah, it's definitely plastic. No metal involved here. All right. So imagine the mic will just sit in there, and you adjust it with the little lock here and put it to wherever your heart's content on your mount. Okay. Now for the mic itself, solid gold, baby, solid gold. This is the BM 800. Look at that, simple XLR, plug in the bottom, and it's a single cardioid. Looks like it probably this size where you're speaking to. Whoever the label is, that's where you're speaking to. Like that. Pretty simple. So I guess we'll just put this in here like so. It just opens up. Alright guys, well, I'm going to install it, hook it up to my Phantom Power, turn it on, and then start speaking into it, and we'll see. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, I just installed it. I put the shock mount here and tighten it down. I'm speaking to the front of where the condenser is. XLR cable coming out, going into the Phantom Power, and then into my computer with USB. And here it is. I got a gold mic to match my gold Scorpion mask, gold Thanos Infinity Gauntlet. I like it. Alright guys, well here it is. That is the unboxing and mic test of this very inexpensive mic. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check this out. I think it's brand new. It just came out. Didn't see any reviews on it. I just shot in the dark, you know what I mean? But I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and get a pop filter for it, put that over it, so then we'll be complete. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Home theater rules. Raph out. See ya.